Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2023 Cadillac XT4 Sport featured in stellar black metallic with a light wheat / jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, hands-free power liftgate, Bose speaker system, power sunroof, an HD backup camera, forward collision alert, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with memory seating, powered windows, powered mirrors, trunk control or liftgate controls to the bottom left, some cup holder space. Taking a look at the seats here, down to the bottom left we have the power seating, lumbar as well as massaging seats, and we can hop inside. Just to the left when we get inside is the power park brake. Taking a look at the steering wheel, to the left we have our cruise control with the heated steering wheel and forward collision alert. To the right we have our cluster as well as audio controls. We can turn the vehicle on and take a look at the infotainment system. We can start off with the audio. It comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. Here's our navigation system. It's also equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse here, checking out the backup camera. Just below that we have our climate control with heated and ventilated front seats for both driver and passenger. We have some extra storage here with 2 USBs as well as a 12-volt plug-in. Infotainment system controls, 2 cup holders. Here's the center console. Popping that open, we have storage up top as well as down below with a 12-volt plug-in. Up top is the rear view mirror with OnStar and SOS, 2 dome lights, universal garage opener as well as our sunroof controls. Here's the power sunroof. And here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back here, we have some XT4 and Cadillac badging. To open up the back, all we gotta do is double click on the key fob. It's gonna pop open for us. We have a ton of storage space back here, lights on either side for extra visibility as well as a 12-volt plug-in. We can drop these rear seats down, making a ton of extra space. Underneath, we have some hidden storage with a spare tire. And we can close it up by pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with power windows, nice carbon fiber accent, cup holder below. Taking a look at the seats, we have a 60/40 seat split, and we can hop inside. At the back of each seat we have magazine holders. At the top you'll find handles paired with a dome light matched on either side. In the middle we have our rear vents as well as rear heated seats. 2 USBs. Dropping down the middle here, we can drop this down for an armrest with 2 cup holders. You get a great view of this power sunroof, and here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2023 Cadillac XT4 Sport. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.